Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Canva tutorial for beginners. So if you love editing or if you want to enhance your skills, then this tutorial is for you. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn more about Canva. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Canva and then click the very first link that you can see here. Here, you need a Google account or Gmail account in order for you to create a Canva account right here. So click the first link again. So this is Canva's website. This is what it looks like, a preview of templates and designs right here. If you have an account, click login. If you don't have, then tap sign up. And you must have your email address or Google account. So you have ways here on how to sign up. But for me, the easiest way is to continue with Google. So all you have to do is to link your Google account to your Canva. And they will just ask permission. All you have to do is to accept and link your Google account. Okay, so this is Canva. Of course, they will ask you to upgrade your plan or try Canva Pro for free because right now you're just using the basic version of Canva, but you can skip this part and try to upgrade later. So let's see if you want to upgrade or not. Okay, so this is the interface or dashboard of Canva. So this is my recent design. These are my recent designs. So before we proceed with our editing here, I want you to know more about Canva's features. So let's go to Canva's website. So let's go to the website first. So as you can see, there is this design spotlight right here. You can see samples of templates. Okay, so as you can see, if you tap this, then you will see these photos and videos, print, marketing, and you will see here what is the template that you can use or specific templates that you can use for each of the category here. The Canva Design Spotlight is a curated feature on Canva's platform that showcases creative, inspiring, and innovative design projects. So basically, that's it. To see an example template or brochure, you just have to click a sample design here. And as you can see, there is this brochure or templates for teachers, small businesses, company, and so on. So let's go to business. Now, in Canvas Business, so here Canvas Business is categorized into three. You can see here enterprise team sales. You can see here Canva teams and context sales. So, enterprise team sales is more complex and personalized approach to selling software or services to a large organization. So, if your business is all about marketing, creatives, agriculture, sales, and so on, then there is a perfect template and design for that here in Canva. You can also explore this use case and resources, but though this is not really our exact or our main topic for today, anyways, to make it short, these use cases and resources refer to the different ways the platform is applied across various fields and the tools or educational content available to enhance users' experience. So it's good for presentation, social media marketing, marketing materials, personal branding, print materials, educational content, and so on. So as you can see it here, these are the examples. So as you can see, Canva provides thousands of pre-made, fully customizable templates across categories like business, education, social media, personal branding, and marketing. And all you have to do is to add elements, which I'm going to discuss later. Okay, so if you go to education, these are the sample features and benefits that you can use here in Canva if you are a teacher or a student. So feel free to tap if you want to know more. Okay, this one is designed for students or teachers, and there's a huge advantage if you're a teacher. And then here for plans and pricing, we're going to discuss this one later. We're going to compare, and you will see the advantage of upgrading your Canva into Pro and you using the basic version. So I'm going to show that one later too. Now, if you want to watch some videos and tutorials, you can go to learn or read some blogs here about Canva. So you can go to this part right here. If you want to know more about designs, templates, the advantage of using Canva, and what is this for, then you can go to learn. But right now, let's go back to Canva's interface or dashboard. Well, to start, you have two ways. You can click create a design. So you can basically look for presentation if you want to create a presentation, docs, thumbnail, social media, if you want to create a post for Instagram, Instagram Reels, Facebook page, Facebook banner or cover. So all you have to do is to search that one here, specifically in the search bar. For example, you want to create YouTube thumbnail. So you will see here examples of dimensions, but you have to click YouTube thumbnail. So this is the exact dimension for creating a YouTube thumbnail. On the left side, you can see here designs that you can use for your thumbnail. Also, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can go to the search icon and then simply type here, like if you want to create a birthday card, then search for birthday card and you will see here 20,000 plus Canva templates about birthday card. And all you have to do is to click one. So if this one is like for 1 to 5 years old, or 10 to 20 years old, or for elder people, for senior citizen, that you can look for thousands of templates right here that you can use. And all you have to do is to click that, especially if you are using Canva Pro, then most of these templates right here are for free. If not, then there are only a few templates that you can use. Okay, so let's just say you want a personalized, or if you want a specific dimension right here. So all you have to do is to search for that. For example, you want to create Pinterest cover or Pinterest banner profile cover, and you don't know the exact dimension. So you can search and then add it right here. Okay, and then tap create new design. So this is the ratio, or let's just say dimension of Pinterest cover, and all you have to do is to look for sample designs on the left side. So for example, this one, all you have to do is to delete unnecessary elements or objects right here, and then look for elements and search for that object that you're looking for. Now, as a beginner, of course, you should start from scratch. So what I'm using right now, or what I'm doing right now, is I have this blank page right here. To start with everything, go to design and look for that specific category that you're looking for. Okay, so let's just say we're going to create or make a presentation. Okay, now it's all about Earth. So you need to look for designs about Earth. So you have to enter some keyword, or a keyword like Earth or Earth world or planets. Everything is up to you. Now, if you want to look for another, like it's all about animals, then you can also type animals and you will see here different designs that you can use, or templates for animal quiz, or animal world. And all you have to do is to delete unnecessary elements here. And if you want to add something, just go to elements and then search for that specific object or element that you want to add here in your presentation or your template. So let's just say I want to add lion or something like that. So you can choose photos, graphics, videos, and so on. At this time, I want to drag or choose graphics and drag that element right here. Okay, if you want to look for kangaroo, for zebra, for other animals, or let's just say if you want to add video, then go to videos and then look for that specific video right here. Drag the video to the blank page or to the page, and this is the result. Feel free to remove, add elements or objects in this template right here, or design right here. Okay, so as you can see, I have added this lion, and this one is a video. Now, if you want to add something like shapes or small box, you can simply go to elements again and then type box or square. Okay, so you just have to click right here. Again, go to the search icon, type that specific keyword, and then choose for shapes, graphics, audio, video, and all you have to do is to drag that to the page. Okay, feel free also to change the color of the font and also the background color. All you have to do is to tap that one and then change the color. Now, if you want to add frames, and then search for frames, and all you have to do is to drag the frame to the page again. Add more elements. So just say you want to add tree, you want to add grass, stones. There are tons of objects and elements that you can find here in Canvas elements section. All you have to do is to search and then choose if you want video, photo, or if you want graphics. Okay, now for text, if you want to add text, just tap text and then you can select from any of the text right here fonts below, but you can also create or add a text your own. So if you want to add some text right here and choose your own font, then tap this add a heading or add a text box. And then here you have to click this font above here if you want to change your font style. So for example, I'm going to add here Animal World. Okay, feel free to adjust. And if you want to change the font style, tap this and scroll down and look for that specific font style that you want. If you want to change or edit some formats here, then go to the upper side. You can add some effects. You can choose from outline, from lift, or anything here. So feel free to look for that specific or for that right font style, font size, and also effects for your design right here for this brand. So actually this one is for pro. So you can skip this part and proceed with uploads. Okay, so for uploads right here, if you have your specific picture or if you have your specific image that you wanted to add, all you have to do is to click this upload file right here, or you can connect to your Google Drive if you have. For example, this one, I want to add this to my design or to my template. I'm going to drag this. Actually, this picture is from my computer. Okay, so you can add more. If you want, just tap this upload files. You can add video also if you want. If you are using a Canva Pro, then you can remove the background of this image right here or video background. So I suggest also that you upgrade your plan into Canva Pro. Okay, so for draw, all you have to do is to click that one if you want to draw something like line or signature or do something like curves or whatsoever. Feel free to do that. You just have to select the color, okay, and the type of pen that you want to use. Okay, so for other options, we can just skip to that. You can go to applications if you have upgraded your plan into Pro and look for tons of applications here. Okay, so basically these are just some of the basic and essential information on the left panel or left side of this Canva. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And the good thing about if you upgrade your plan into Pro, then you can use this application right here. For example, Bulk Create if you want to create a quiz or trivia. I suggest that you upgrade your plan into Pro and then try this Bulk Create with the help of ChatGPT. And there are tons of applications here that you can use once you upgrade into Pro version. But it's okay, we can still do a lot of things even if you're using the basic version or free version of Canva. Now let's just say that you're looking for a specific background color and you can't find it right here or you're not sure. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then search for that color code. Okay, so for example, this is not the one you're looking for, and you're looking for that specific background color right here. So we're going to add or click new tab and then go to search bar. Okay, you can use Google this time. And then let's just say lavender code, something like that, lavender color code. And then what you're going to do here once you press enter is you will see the code right here. So all you have to do is to copy this one. Now go back to Canva and paste it. So let me tap this plus icon right here and then paste the code. Okay, and then enter. Then you will see that lavender color and you can use this as your background color. Now let's just say you want to create a design for your tutorial services. Okay, so this is the main page or the blank page that we're going to use. And let's just say you want to start with color yellow. And if you want to add text again, tap add text. You can use from this fonts right here. But I want to add a text box or I want to use my own font or my own style. So let me go back and then tap this add a heading. And then your tutorial is all about Canva. So you can type here Canva tutorial for beginners. And then feel free to change the font style Like what I've mentioned earlier, you can go to this button right here, this Canva Sans. And what you're going to do is you have to click this and look for the specific font style that you want. So let me drag it up first. This is the good thing about Canva. You can just put it or place it anywhere inside the blank page, of course. So tap this one and then look for that specific font style that you like. If you can't find it here, then go to the search icon and then type the name of that specific font style that you are looking for. Okay, so for example, this one right here, let me choose the right one for me. Okay, and then once you found that specific font style that you're looking for, if you want to tap or change the format or edit the format right here, just go to this above section, change the color. Okay, so if you want to change the color into white, everything is up to you. So you can change the font color and also the background color as long as you don't like the result. So feel free to tap. And if you want to add like effects or add something with your font style, with your font right here or words right here or captions, simply go to effects, tap this Canva tutorial for beginners first, and you can look for outline, lift, shadow. You can also change, like for example, if you want to drag offset, and if you want to change, for example, the color of the shadow, you can just simply select the color right here. That is for the shadow effect. Okay, drag this up if you want, or for the blur, transparency. So feel free to change everything here. Just drag up, down, increase, decrease, till you see the right result for that. Okay, for lift, then you can increase intensity or decrease intensity. Everything is up to you. For outline, you can choose for that specific color. For example, if you want to change this to black, and you can also, increase a thickness. So yes, basically everything is up to you. This is just a little bit idea on how to use this effects option or feature here in Canva. So let's just say I'm okay with this. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add another like subtitle, or let's just say another or slogan or something like I want to add here for my Canva tutorial for beginners. So in order for you to do that, you have to click text again, and then you can choose add a text box or heading or subheading. Everything is up to you. So I'm okay with this. This is my final font style and color for Canva tutorial for beginners. Now let me move for what they can learn or what can they expect if they avail or if they go for this kind of service. So as you can see, I have added here a heading, and then I have added here key topics to include in a Canva tutorial for beginners. These are the things that they can learn once they avail or once they enroll to this tutorial. Okay, so let me change the font color and font style. So feel free to change it again, same method, same steps, like what I have showed you earlier. So all you have to do is to change the font style above, and then look for that specific color for this. And once you're done, then you can just simply place it anywhere. Okay, so I have also added effects, and actually, you can also choose from the given text or font style. But actually, I want to start from scratch because this is for beginners. I mean, tutorial for beginners. Okay, so now I'm going to add shape right here, which I'm going to change the color later. So I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to duplicate. Change first the color to white, and then let me Control C, Control V, or duplicate and put it right here. Now I'm going to add words inside this box right here, a text inside this box. So I'm going to add a text, and then I'm going to paste all the services in my Canva class or Canva tutorial. So let me copy or enter or type the things that they can learn if they enroll to my class. So here, number one, introduction to Canvas interface. So I'm going to put it right here, number one, and then duplicate this. Okay, click the plus icon to duplicate. and drag this box below because I have three things to show this time. So for the second one, I'm going to copy and paste, and then also for the third one here. So let me change the color first. Okay, so feel free to change the color. Everything is up to you. And then here, introduction to interface, I'm going to change that one later. So after you have changed the color, then you can add the text right here. Okay, so these are the topics that I want to include here in my Canva tutorial. So introduction to Canva's interface, using templates, and working with text. This is just an example, okay? So for the second box, then I'm going to add a more information or description. For example, for number one, this means navigating to dashboard. So introduction to Canva's interface means navigating the dashboard. Number two, using templates, how to select and customize pre-designed templates, and also for number three, for working with text, modifying text, images, and colors with templates. So these are the description of each topic that I'm going to discuss here in my Canva tutorial. Okay, so now to specify, I want to add arrow. So if you want to add arrow or other shape right here, feel free again to go to elements and then look for the specific object or element that you're looking for. So I'm going to add, for example, if you want to add line, then you can go and then type line, go to graphics and then look for that free without the crown icon right here, because for this with crowns means you can only use this if you upgrade to Canva Pro. But since we're just using the basic version or the free version, so we're looking for something that doesn't have this crown icon right here. So there are tons of lines that we can use, but actually this is not the one I'm looking for. So let me delete this one. I'm looking for the thin black line. So let me click or let me delete this and then look for the thin black line right here. So for example, this one, let me extend this one first right here. Okay, to emphasize Canva tutorial beginners. So duplicate and put it below. Okay, but actually this one is optional. Okay, and then once you have added this, then you can change the color of this lines. Everything is up to you, and you can also add border line if you want. So this is the result. Okay, and then after that, I want to increase the border line here. So feel free to increase and then place it right here. Okay, now after adding line, I want to add arrows to also specify something, like I want to direct to that or point to specific word or something like that. So let me look for arrow right here and then go to graphics. I'm looking for the thin arrow, but actually most of the arrows and elements right here, I cannot use them because, I need to upgrade to Pro, but it's okay. Let's look for something that we can use even if we're using the basic version. So for example, right here, change the color of the arrow. Okay, I want to change the color of the arrow to red and then adjust, duplicate. Okay, so let me adjust this one. As you can see, number one is pointing to navigating the dashboard. Number two is pointing to how to select and customize pre-designed templates. And number three is pointing to modifying text, images, and so on. You can also add more elements if you want. For example, if you want to add like this graphic right here, okay, a teacher is teaching a student, something like that, and you can place it anywhere. You can also add like books. You can also add something like editing or edit or editor. You can go to elements and then search for that keyword, and you will be amazed with the graphics, and all you have to do is to drag that specific element to this page right here. Okay, for example, this one, it's like teaching. Now I want to look for something like editing or something like that, or let's just say gadget or laptop or something like that. You can just simply go to the search icon and then type that keyword. Okay, so for example, like this, books. So I'm going to place it right here. Now, if you have your logo, business logo, or you have your logo for your service or services, tutorial services, then you can also add it right here. Now, if you want to create a unique logo and you don't know how to do it or to create that, I strongly suggest again Canva, because Canva can offer tons of designs for a logo. So I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your tutorial services or whatever services you have or company or products that you have using Canva to create a logo. But actually this one is optional, but I want to create a logo for my tutorial services. Okay, so let me go to Canva again. I mean, go to the home page, create a design. And as a beginner, go to the search bar and then type logo, and you will see here tons of designs for your logo, okay, for your tutorial services logo or for your company logo. So type the specific, name or keyword right here, for example, tutorials, and you can see here different designs for tutorials. And all you have to do is to edit the font style right here. For example, the name of my tutorial center is Mastery Mentors. So I'm going to edit right here, okay, and then change the font style, font colors. And when it comes to the element or the image or the graphic right here, I can simply go to elements and then type a keyword, for example, edit or editing, then drag that element right here. And once done, download, go back to your Canva again, and then click upload, upload files, and then drag that logo or image to the blank page. So here I have my logo already. This is the logo of my tutorial center. That actually this one is optional. And if you want to simply, change or adjust something, you can make it smaller and that's it. Okay, so this is just an example if you want to create a design for your tutorial center. You can print this one. If you want to print, then go to share, download this one first. Actually, you can choose if you want to share or download this as PDF, PNG. Okay, everything is up to you. Okay, so tap share and then select that specific, tap download. And then if you want to download this as JPEG, PNG, or download this as PDF, everything is up to you. And if you want to share this, just copy link and then paste it and share it to someone. So as you can see here, you can tap this arrow facing down if you want to download this JPEG, PNG, okay, PDF, or even video if you want to. Okay, so this is an example on how to create a design for your tutorial center, company, or products. Okay, this is how you showcase or promote that through creating a design here from scratch using Canva. So basically, that's how easy it is to learn Canva as a beginner. Okay, so moving on. Actually, this is the result. Feel free to print or share this one. Now let's move on to creating a presentation. Let's just say you are a student and you wanted to create a presentation or you will have your report tomorrow. Let's just say reporting. So go to create a design again and then look for presentation or video. So if you want video presentation, so this is the perfect dimension for that. And then again, go to design. And then let's just say your presentation is all about planets or Earth. So type any keyword right here. For example, planets, okay? And then you will see here designs and templates that you can use. For example, if you want to use this one, just tap and you will see all the slides that you can use. For each template right here, if it's tap this, then there are a few slides or designs or templates that you can use. As you can see, we have here the dance of planets. If you have a specific topic or title for your presentation, then you can edit this, you can delete this part, and then add that specific title. For example, you want to present just planets, okay? Now you can edit the font style again and then add effects. So if you want to change the color, just change the color, add effects. If you want lift and tap intensity, then all you have to do is to drag it up. If you want to change the background color, just tap that one and then look for colors and change that. If you want to add elements, let's just say if you want to add video or if you want to replace this graphics right here to video, go to elements and then look for video right here. Okay, type planets and go to videos. And all you have to do is to simply drag that to the blank page. And then you can crop this one, or if you're using the Canva Pro, you can remove the background. But basically, what we're going to do here is I'm just going to adjust the size or place this video as my background. So the video, the plant video, is now my background. Now, if you want to change these images, or if you want to add videos, so again, go to the search icon and then type planets and then click videos and then drag that video to the blank page. Okay, so let's just say I want a video like Mars, something like that, Mars planet. So let me search that here, or Neptune, Jupiter, everything is up to you. And then resize the video, place it anywhere here. So you can search for many planets as much as possible, as many as you can, and then drag these videos to the blank page. So also you can search for sun, you can search for Earth, you can search for like Milky Way or something like that. And if you go to videos, then you will see videos of that specific category or specific keyword. And all you have to do is to drag that here to the blank page and then resize it. Because most of the video or videos here are large and big. So you have to resize that. Okay, so again, I'm going to click and look for Earth. Okay, look for Earth right here, resize, and then place it right here. And for our last planet, I'm going to search again for, let's just see, I'm looking for Neptune. Okay, and then type search videos and then drag that video to the blank page. Make sure that that one is not a pro or under pro. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Adjust, and here's the result. Okay, so you can also change the colors right here, everything. Just feel free to change. You could also change the duration of your template or video. So if you want to change this, or if you want to make it like 10 seconds only or 7 seconds, all you have to do is to tap this one and then, trim this or split this one if you want. Okay, so let me change the duration. Okay, and then tap done. Then once done, all you have to do is to click this play button right here to see the result. Okay, so if you want to add more templates, then click this plus icon right here. And then you just have to simply move this second template to the blank page. And then it's the same thing. You just have to add elements, add text, replace this to any object, or replace this to a video. So let's just say if you want to add like description, you can add a text box right here. Okay, add a heading and then paste description, or type something right here, for example, planet. And then if you want to add description or change the color, you can just simply do it. Basically, that's it. Just tap effects to add a more effect or to make your font enticing. And then if you want to duplicate, then you can duplicate this and then add a description to this. So let's just say if you want to report about this planet, and if you want to read this inside this template right here, then you can add another box and then add a text inside this box. So you can change the color of this box to white and then add a text right here for you to add description and for your description to be visible. Okay, enter description right here or paste the description. Make sure the font is, or font color is color black. Okay, or blue or something dark. You can add effects because this one is a video presentation. You can add effects right here, transition, animation, and so on. So you just have to simply look for that, like typewriter or flicker. Everything is up to you. Okay, so this is the result of your video presentation. If you feel like adding more template, then again, click this plus button right here to add more. And then feel free to add or get from other design, not just from these templates. You could also go to design and look for other planet designer template and then add it right here. Just tap this plus button and just drag that template to the blank page or the sign to the blank page. Okay, like this. If you want to add description, if you want to change this, okay, feel free to paste. Okay, change the font style, font size, add effects, and so on. So basically, that's how easy it is to create a video. So the first one we have created is like a design for your tutorial for your business or company. The second one here is a presentation. Let's just say if you're a student or a teacher. So video presentation is good if you use Canva, even if you are a beginner. Okay, it's very easy to use because this platform or editing tool is a user-friendly tool. So again, if you're a beginner and you love editing or you love templates like presentations, and if you want to be a thumbnail maker, or if you're planning to create a channel, trivia channel or quiz channel, then this Canva is a good for you. So using Canva as a beginner offers several key advantages that make it popular choice for individual with little to no design experience. Like what I've mentioned, it has a user-friendly interface, pre-made templates, free-to-use features, extensive library of elements, design education, customization made easy. These are just a few advantages of using this, and also collaboration features and ease of use, professional templates, and a lot more. Now, if you're good with this and if you're okay with the result and if you want to download this, then all you have to do is to click this share button at the top right corner. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you can just simply copy this link or you can download this. And of course, you need to download this, like you have to set this to video. Okay, MP4 video, because this one is a YouTube video, or let's just say video presentation, something like that, and then click download. Now make sure that you have tapped all the pages right here, or if you just want to download specific pages, then you can tap that one here. Now tap the download button, and if you want to see the result, then all you have to do is go to your download folder. You will see there the Canva presentation. Okay, so now that you know some basic functions of Canva, then what I want you to know is that the pricing. Okay, so let's look at the pricing and let's compare. Now, if you want to try this Canva Pro, which is of course I highly suggest, I am really using a Canva Pro, but for this tutorial, I just used the basic version. So as you can see, these are the features that you can use if you use Canva for free: limited access, limited features, limited functions. If you upgrade to Pro, of course, there are tons of features that you can use, you can unlock, and there are lots of functions here: elements, images, apps. Especially if you're into creating trivia or quiz challenges, or if you're into Mac then I strongly suggest to upgrade your Canva into Pro to unlock the feature or apps feature. And there is also this Canva Teams where you can share this Canva to your team, and it would be easier for you to know your roles and functions if you upgrade your plan into team or Canva team. But actually, it's okay. If you're just using the basic version or free version, you can still create designs. You can still edit templates. You can still add elements, objects, upload files, upload images, videos, use some graphics, use some videos, sounds for free. So there's no problem with that. But if you want to level up your editing skills, or if you want to start with your business or work, then I strongly suggest that you upgrade to Canva Pro. So basically, that's it. These are the features and options and functions, and it's up to you if you want to upgrade or stay with the free version. So yes, these are just a few information and basic learning for Canva as a beginner. Again, if you want to create a design or create a template or start with something, and you have this specific dimension, you can go to this part right here and then create a design. If you want to post something like very specific to your Instagram or to your Facebook, like Facebook Reels or Facebook cover photo, then you can simply go to the search icon and then enter that here, the keyword right here. As you can see, there are tons of Canva templates. Let's just say if you want to post Facebook Reels, then you can use from these templates right here or Instagram Reels. Tap enter, then you can see here tons of templates. As you can see, 9,787 templates for Instagram Reels that you can choose. For example, this one right here, I'm going to use one template. Okay, so let me look for TikTok. Okay, I'm going to post something from my TikTok. And these are the sample templates. Let me choose this one. So let me customize this template right here. Tap this button. And this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change everything like the background of this video. Okay, so I'm going to look and tap element and then look for something. Okay, for example, video or photo, everything is up to you, and then change it right here. I think this one is way better. Just simply drag the video to the blank page. And then if you want to change this font style or change some words here, for example, if you want to change this, then double tap and then add some different words right here. Okay, and then place it above, change the font color. And this is what it looks like. So feel free to add elements if you want to. Also add some effects if you want to. Add audio. Okay, so if you want to add audio right here, just tap audio and then look for the specific audio, for example, birds and nature. So this time I want nature or anything that is related to nature. So I'm going to show you an example right now. As you can see, adding sounds, of course, is way better. Okay, you can change the sound right here. You can delete the audio of the specific video. You can mute that one and then replace it with sounds inside this audio section right here. So basically that's it, and this is the result. And once you're done, once you're okay with this, then all you have to do again is to tap share and then download. So basically that's how easy it is to create or to post something for your TikTok, for your Instagram Reels, for your Facebook Reels. So all you have to do is go to create design and then type that specific dimension or social media platform where you want to post your design or your project. Okay, so that's it. If you're looking for a work and you want to start as a YouTube thumbnail maker, then yes, it's possible with Canva. All you have to do again is go to Canva, create a design, look for YouTube thumbnail designs right here, for example, this one, and then tap customize this template. So yes, this is the designer template. Feel free to delete unnecessary things here, but for font, I will not delete this one. I'm going to change this with Canva tutorial for beginners. Okay, feel free to change the background if you want. So for example, you are making a thumbnail for this video and then go to elements and then look for something that is related to editing. Let's just say you're looking for a laptop. Okay, so search, go to graphics, and then look for a laptop right here. So let me look for something that we can put inside an image to the screen. So let me try this one. But actually, if you're not satisfied, you can delete. Let me look for another one. Okay. I think this one is way better. Okay, and then after that, let me screenshot this one first because I'm going to use this to my YouTube thumbnail. Now go to Paint, paste this one, and then save because we're going to use this image inside of this laptop right here. Upload the file, drag the picture right here, and then resize. You can also tap layer, and then you have to send this image to backward or send backward. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so inside is of course the Canva editing tool. Now I'm going to use arrow, go to elements again, type arrow, and then look for a specific arrow that you want to use. For example, this one right here. And I think white color is not visible, so I'm going to change the color, and I'm also going to change the arrow. I think this one is way better than the first one. Okay, so you can change the color, and I also changed the color of the background right here. So since Canva is more on like blue color, something like that, so I have changed my background into color blue. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and feel free to adjust everything here, like the font style, and also if you want to change this picture right here, you can. And if you want to add like image or icon, for example, if you want to add the Canva logo, then you can go and search for Canva logo and add it right here. So basically, this is the result, and feel free to change. For example, if you think that normal words would be better. So you can also type Canva tutorial for free and then change the font style right here. Also add what we did earlier. So if you want to change your font style, you just have to click this Canvas Sans right here and then look for the specific font style that you're looking for. You just have to drag and then locate or find the specific font that you want. Okay, also you can change or increase the size and then add some effects. For example, if you want to add like lift, outline, everything is up to you. Okay, so let me adjust this one right here. And then feel free to add more like elements or anything you want. And again, if you want to change effects, just tap effects right here. And then you can change the size. So that's how easy it is. Basically, this is how easy it is to create YouTube thumbnail here using Canva. And I'm pretty sure that most of the thumbnail makers, they use Canva as their editing tool. So feel free to adjust everything here, any element, font style. You can also change the background color if you want. And once you're good and you're satisfied with the result, then all you have to do is to click share and then tap download PNG and then download. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Canva. So I have already discussed about how to create or how to make video presentation, or if you want to post to your TikTok or Instagram, you just have to look for the correct dimension. And then if you want to create design for your tutorial center or business or your company, so this is how easy it is to use Canva. Also, if you want to create newsletter or email a template or newsletter, so basically, again, you just have to go to create design and then tap design and then look for newsletter, and there will be tons of newsletter designs right here, and all you have to do is to pick one. And if you want to change something like images, go again to elements and then look or type the specific keyword and then go to photos or graphics. Everything is up to you, and then drag it to the template. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is. You can also change description right here, words, and font style, font size, delete unnecessary element or object, and then replace it. And once you're done, then all you have to do is to simply tap share button and then download. As easy as that. So there are a lot of things that you can use or you can do inside Canva. And I think this is the best editing platform as of today, of course. So you don't need to upgrade your plan. You don't need to pay because you can use Canva even if you're using the free version. There are tons of templates and elements that you can use even if you're using the free version of Canva. So if you like to start with your job, like if you want to be a thumbnail maker, if you want to be a vlogger, if you want to start your YouTube channel, then feel free to use Canva because you can edit here not just photos and images, you can also edit videos right here. Okay, so this is just a very basic information and tutorial about Canva. And if you like to start editing or if you want to enhance your editing skills, even if you're a beginner or a seasoned or an expert, then you can use Canva. So, as a conclusion, Canva is an ideal design tool for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, due to its simplicity, versatility, and accessibility. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, vast library of pre-made templates, and free-to-use features, Canva empowers users to create professional designs without the need for advanced technical skills. Its rich array of design elements, customization options, and educational resources, making it all in one platform for personal, business, and creative needs. Whether you're designing social media content, presentations, marketing materials, or print products, Canva streamlines the process, saving time and effort while ensuring impressive results. So I really hope that this video helped you. This is Canva tutorial for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.